Okay, I know I say this all the time, but this is going to be a blast. We have some of the Hurricane Ian casualties, a boat, so we're going to take it down, put it on a trailer. These people were trying to salvage it. They decided not to keep it. It's missing all the doors and stuff like that. Somebody has salvaged some things off of it. So we're going to take it down, put it on a trailer. So we're going to take it from the middle of Fort Myers Beach and we're going to take it all the way to Lover's Key. My trailer is sitting down there already. So what we're going to do is I'm going to haul it with this wave runner. And I'm doing that because I can control the boat better with the wave runner. It's only about 1.5 miles to 2 miles from here. So what we're going to do is they dropped it in the boat, in the water for us last night. So we'll know if it's going to sink or not by that. They say it's a perfectly good boat. The problem is when you're missing the doors and you're missing this, you're missing that, it costs so much and the boat ain't worth $2,000. So I think it's about a 24-foot boat. So Angie has volunteered to be in the boat so that she can pull the boat to the Lover's Key boat ramp and hold it there long enough for us to get it tied up. And then Lee's going to follow us with the drone. And what I'm doing right now is I'm going to get my wave runner jacket on and I'm going to take off. They're taking off in my truck and I'm going to take off on the wave runner. I'll meet them there and that's what we're doing.
Why? It's a nice boat.
Because when I know, I thought it was like getting ready to be sunken or something like that. So
oh no!
I should have on my freaking fishing pole. As slow as we're gonna go.
Hey there.
Hey, what's happening?
Oh, not too much. How are you?
That's what I should have done.
We are in the midst of getting this hooked up and out of here.
Okay.
Dave's on his way right now with the jet ski.
Should take it with a jet ski?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. My name's Lee.
Lee, Vinny.
Vinny, nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah.
I got the title and the check right here.
Okay. Did this get wrecked by the hurricane or?
Yeah, it was hanging in the straps here. The water was above this, so.
Sheesh.
You got pictures?
I got pictures of it after the hurricane. And it was sitting sideways in the straps.
Well, time for a new one.
Yeah. It was starting to fall apart. And then I noticed when I was kind of cleaning it out there that some of the bulkheads there had been cracked and were getting rotten and everything. I said, well, that's a good thing I didn't keep this.
Oh yeah.
Now you see how that is there.
What, this right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
Over here and it goes all the way across. So that's the bulkhead for the.
Damn. Yeah, Dave said they're gonna put it in the water, or they put it in the water for us last night. We're gonna see if it floats or not. If it does, then it'll still be there, and if not, it'll be sunk.
Yeah, when I came out this morning, I had it. Actually, it's been out of the water, or on the water 2 days. But when I came out this morning, I thought, God, please don't let me see that thing sitting on the bottom of the canal.
Yeah. So nice out. You went out for a little extra drive.
Oh, dude. I went almost back to get my other one in it was a stick or something caught in the impeller. So I let go. I'm like, yay! We couldn't have picked a windier day, though. It's freaking windy. Because I'm not 20 years old anymore, I'm going to sit on.
I hear you, brother.
What's your name, by the way?
Vinny.
Vinny, I'm Dave. That's Angie. We live here. We're your neighbors. I'm going really slow, and they don't realize that I'm having trouble. And they're going by with their 33-footers.
And waving
Oh, gosh.
And knocking me off the wave runner.
Yeah, right.
Like you gotta get a. If there's a wave runner going that slow and their speed thing, there's probably might be a problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, people are not aware.
Oh, they have no clue. It's like Rodney Dangerfield and Caddyshack. Hey, there's my buddy, you know.
You're so very welcome.
So Angie's been working in the shop for all these years, and now we're bringing her out here and letting her play and do some of the silly stuff that we do.
I told him I'm mad because I didn't bring my fishing pole.
Yeah, I never made it back to the house. Sorry about that.
That's all right.
Dude,
I know.
I'm
I
sitting
heard,
there
I
thinking,
heard you saying
I'm
that.
thinking $800 repair.
Oh, yeah.
$100 to go get a boat for $750. Like that. You're only there
And that'll float.
to push us off of stuff like that, and to pull us in when we get to the dock. And I'm not going to go fast enough because I don't want to burn the motor up. So we're just going to go 6 or 7. Okay.
Okay.
The biggest problem you're going to have is these boats going by, and you're going to get that.
Well, that doesn't matter.
Give them the Hawaiian peace sign when they do that.
What's that? That's what I thought it was, but I thought it might be something new too. I like learning stuff. All right, now this should be a good part of the video if I fall in.
Oh God, don't do that.
That's the only nice thing about these big ones. They're pretty stable.
Yeah.
So did this thing ever get submerged? Is there any chance that motor worked?
No, it was completely under. Under so far, it bent the rails and pushing up against the boathouse.
All right, you good?
Oh, you're gonna be.
Angie, nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you, Dave. Angie, have fun. This must be a real interesting video.
Yeah.
Okay, so there you are. You're looking at us from the drone and you're wondering what the heck's going on. So the wave runner is overheating and you say, well, obviously it's going to overheat. Well, I've done this a bunch of times and with boats that are way bigger than that boat. But I don't think we've ever done it in the wind like this. So the whole time that I'm pulling this thing, that boat is going and it's kind of off to one side. So it overheated the wave runner. So we basically sat there and let it cool off a little bit. I didn't want to ruin a nice wave runner because I pulled a boat down the street. Here's the deal. This is what we want to do. This is not a very profitable thing for us to do. So because we're starting to do a few little fun things with demo, I thought, what better thing to do than to take a boat and beat a house with it? We're always trying to satisfy the customer and give the highest customer service. So what we did is we scheduled this to take this out on Tuesday. Then we scheduled it again on Thursday because it's windy. So I said, piss on it. We're going to do it today. It's Friday. Let's go ahead and do it. And I got Angie out of the warehouse and we did something kind of fun. She likes to lay out in the sun and so on and so forth. So I've probably, I don't know, over the years, we probably salvaged 100 boats from 100 different situations. Probably only a couple of them we've actually towed anywhere. So I took a wave runner that we have. It's one of the supercharged wave runners, and I'm bringing it back. And I've never had a problem with any of the wave runners when we pull boats overheating. And I pulled bigger boats than that a lot of times. So, but I've never done it in the wind. So the whole time I'm going forward, the boat's going sideways. So it's kind of like pulling an anchor. So normally you can get them going right behind you. It's smooth as glass and it's not a lot of work. So my house is between where we were going and where we picked it up. Also, the amount of time it took us to get down there, on my way down there, I went in the wrong canal and I got into water that was this deep and something got caught in the impeller. So I headed back here to switch out to my other wave runner or to flip it over and see what was wrong, and it freed itself up. So I turned around and went back out there. So we're just brought it here for tonight, and then we're going to take it over. I'm going to play a prank on one of my buddies. It was his birthday today. I'm going to call him up and tell him I got his birthday present over here, and I'm going to bring him over and show it to him. So I don't know. I don't know if he'll think it's funny. I think it's funny. Hey, I know you thought I forgot about your birthday, and I didn't get you anything. But if you want to come over to your birthday present, it's here.
Oh my gosh, you should have got me anything. No, but
It's
I'm over here on Regal Drive.
it's really nice.
I'm over on Regal Drive, and now you got me scared.
All right. So it's blue and white, and it's tied to the dock next door.
It's blue and white tied to the dock next door.
Yes.
Now you're
Happy birthday, Ryan.
Happy birthday. We'll you call us when you come this way.
all right.
All right. Bye. We'll see what happens.
That's good.
That's old humor. So that's where we're at. The company's gotten pretty busy today, so we went with a skeleton crew to do this. So we'll move the boat in the morning, put it on a boat trailer, and then we're going to wait until we have a house that's remote enough that we don't create problems. And then we're going to take that boat and beat a house with it. And then we're going to crush the boat into little tiny pieces and put it in a 30-yard dumpster, mix it in with the construction debris, and get it hauled away. The dump here in Fort Myers will not take whole boats anymore. And the reason they won't take whole boats anymore is they don't want to deal with the gasoline and the oil and all that stuff. So what we'll do, because we like to do things properly, we'll take the gas tank out of it. The motor, I'll take it off, and we'll sell that to somebody who's going to tear it down and rebuild it for like $500. That's what we typically get. The rest of the boat we'll crush. We will use it to beat a house. And like I said, Fort Myers doesn't want them. So if we crush them into little pieces and mix them in with a construction debris load, nobody cares. So that's what we're going to do. So that makes it easy. Otherwise, we'd have to haul it all the way out to another facility that's like 50 miles one way. So, and that's not cost effective for the customer, for us, whatever. So we gave them a really, really good price. Kind of sort of bought it in a way, because for what I did the boat retrieval for, it isn't worth our time. So that's it. Remove It Pros Demolition, and we'll see you on the next video.